Okay, hello everyone. I want to show you today how you can run a small BBS using the CB2 micro. And the program that we are going to use is the micro BBS version 3. It's the current version of this BBS. And with this program loaded in position 1 and position 2 is just extensions for this program, okay? So we can run this BBS and use the CB2 micro as a BBS server, okay? With the help of a computer nearby to handle all the internet communications with its network card and appropriate software that I'm going to show you. The first step is to load our program, our BBS, our main BBS program, to the position 1 in the CB2 micro, and the second step is to load the extension program at the position 2. This is just extension, plug-in if you want to connect to have different games and other additional software on our BBS. Okay, it's an extension of the program 1. So we're going to load this to the CB2 micro, and we will have to set the program 1 to automatically run during boot up time of the CB2 micro. This can be done from the configuration page inside the CB2 micro desktop, okay? So the program that I have used for that is the Telnet BBS server, which is a program that has been written for the Commodore machines, and it runs on a PC, and it acts as a gateway to the internet for your Commodore machines. Okay, so we're going to use this program, and this can be used also as a client, as I have shown in another video, to call from your CB2 micro different IP addresses and to connect to them. Okay, so you can use this to connect to other BBSs or run your own BBS, as we will do in this video. So the only thing we have to do is to run this program and then connect our CB2 micro to the serial port of the computer. And we don't need to do anything else, because with the micro BBS version 3, when you load it, you are ready to run the BBS. Okay, the version 3 of the micro BBS stores the messages that people leave on the BBS on the external EEPROM. So you have to additionally build this small circuit here. This one. This shows 2 EEPROMs here, but you can use just one, and make the computer use this EEPROM from the configuration page inside the desktop of the CB2 micro. So build a small circuit with just one EEPROM, and you're ready to fire up. Now I'm going to show you now a little demonstration of the program. So let me open also this one. Okay, I'm going to telnet to the IP address of inside the LAN here that I'm running this BBS. So I telnet. Now this is the Windows machine that runs the Telnet BBS server program. So it has the CB2 micro connected to it through its serial port. So if I telnet now, to the IP of the computer, it asks me to press escape to connect to the BBS. And you will notice here that says online, okay? So I press escape, and I'm now connected. The BBS starts to pump up data. Okay, and we can press the info here to see the information of the current BBS. Can escape and go back. We can view the messages in the BBS. That's a public BBS. You don't have a username and password account. Okay, press space for more, or any key for more, or escape for exit. Okay, so let's see a few messages here. Okay, that different users have left on the BBS currently. So I press escape to go back, and then I'm back in the first screen. And let's say we want to leave a message here. So send a message, press S, and we type our message. Okay, so now we my telnet client here does very weird things, but we're gonna erase this and just put a thanks. Yeah, it types the characters. Okay, we're gonna use another terminal here. Just a moment. Press escape here, and we're gonna use another terminal to do it, because the terminal of the Windows is not the best terminal in the world, so we're going to use syncterm. Okay, I have already set up the BBS here, and let's connect and leave a message in the BBS. So press escape and send the message by pressing S. Okay. Okay, let's focus a bit. Okay, and then press enter, and the message is now stored, and I can view it. Just view the messages. Okay, hopefully it will be at the end of the list here. Okay, this is our fail attempt, and then our final attempt. Okay, so escape, and I have written a small extension, a little game here. So I go to the games by pressing G menu, G key, and then 1, the guess a number. So I give a small number here. It's a small number. I give a 7. Okay, I found the number, so the program restarts again. Okay, escape to go back to the main screen here. So that's a little BBS that I have written, and hopefully it will get better and better as time goes by. You can telnet to this BBS if you want to try it yourself by let me show you. All right, it's public, so you can telnet to it, and it's at okay, the address is I'll write you down the address now. It's cb2.qrp.gr, and the port is 2323. Okay, that's the address that you have to call in if you want to test the BBS yourself. All right, thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.